Premier Water and Sewer Services. We're doing our post-repair lateral inspection video at 191 Muirfield Forest Court. We pushed out to the main connection. We're going from the inside. We did put a fourth pin on outside. We're scheduled 35 minutes. We're back from the main. Very close to the house. It's not a very long road back. There's the bottom of the drop. Transitions back to schedule 40 coming over the drop. There's the top of the drop there. We connected on. So we're schedule 40 right there. There's the new top of the drop. Drop and settled. Push the pipe up into this line. And there's also the rope back here, 45, right outside the house. There's the clean out. It's just outside the foundation of the home. And it's schedule 40 coming back. So there's actually two points in this line. Both have been fixed.